If you've been on the lookout for cutting-edge AI tools, TalkText AI is the latest release you need to know about. This software promises to redefine how you communicate and create content, but is it worth your time? In this video, I'm going to cover the 7 most crucial things you need to know about TalkText AI, and by the end, you'll have a clear idea of whether it's the right tool for you. Stick around because I've got a special bonus for you at the end. Right off the bat, TalkText AI is revolutionizing how we think about voice-to-text applications. The software isn't just for dictation, it's about making text-based content creation faster and easier with powerful AI-driven features. And yes, you can try TalkText AI for free from the first link below, so no risk in seeing if it fits your needs. One of the key features that sets TalkText AI apart is its transcription accuracy. When it comes to transcribing speech, there are many tools out there, but TalkText AI takes things to the next level with its machine learning capabilities. It adapts to various accents and even differentiates between multiple speakers. The software also works across different industries. Whether you're a content creator, marketer, or business owner, TalkText AI is designed to deliver precision where it matters most. Another standout feature is its speed. With TalkText AI, what you say is almost instantly turned into accurate text, meaning you can get more done in less time. No more waiting around for long transcriptions. If you're looking to speed up your workflow, this is a huge time saver, especially for anyone involved in creating video scripts or podcast episodes. Next, let's talk about customization. TalkText AI lets you tailor the output to match the tone and style you want. Whether you're writing formal reports or casual blog posts, you can ensure the transcriptions or text outputs align with your preferred voice. The software even allows you to create templates, so you can save your settings and reuse them for future projects, ensuring consistency across all your content. Now, a feature that will definitely appeal to digital marketers and content creators is TalkText AI's integration with other tools. Whether you're using platforms like Google Docs, WordPress, or YouTube, TalkText AI makes it easy to streamline your workflow by connecting directly with your favorite tools. This is essential for saving time and reducing the number of steps in your content creation process. When it comes to pricing, TalkText AI offers a variety of plans, but the free version already comes packed with many of the essential features. If you're just starting out or working on smaller projects, the free version will be more than sufficient. However, for those of you who need advanced features, the paid plans provide additional capabilities such as extended integrations, more templates, and enhanced customization options. One thing you'll definitely appreciate is TalkText AI's support and community. They've got a fantastic customer service team that's available to help with any issues, and there's a strong online community of users who share tips, tricks, and use cases. So, if you ever run into a challenge, there's no shortage of support to get you back on track. Finally, let's talk about the security and privacy of your data. With TalkText AI, your data is stored securely with encryption, ensuring your content is protected. This is particularly important if you're working on sensitive or proprietary material, and you can have peace of mind knowing your information is handled with care. So, there you have it. TalkText AI could be the game-changing tool you've been waiting for. From its speed and accuracy to its customization, options, and integrations, it's an incredibly powerful software for anyone looking to streamline their content creation process. I've also tried thousands of AI tools, and I've listed my recommended ones in the description below for you to check out, all available for free trials. Don't forget to click the link below to try TalkText AI for yourself and see if it's the right fit for your needs.